This video is about the topic how to install Bentley Stat Pro on your system. So for that, first of all, you have to download the software from the link which is already given to you, and by clicking on that link you will see that a link of Google Drive will be appear, and after that you can download your software and downloading will start as you can see in the screen. Go to downloads of your PC and you can see a RAR file over there with the name Bentley Stat Pro V8 i Series 5. Now right click on that WinRAR file and extract that folder, and you can see another folder is created with the name of Bentley and a software setup will be there. Now right click on that setup and run as administrator, and your file will start to extract for the installation of your software. As you can see on the screen, the extraction of your setup is going on there, and now you can see that another window is open where list of program is mentioned, and now you have to click on install option and installation will start. There will be some system where .NET framework is not installed already, so during the installation of Bentley Stat Pro they will ask, do you want to install .NET framework? So kindly turn on your Wi-Fi or internet so that it can install by itself. Now you can see that installation of all the programs are going on, so you have to wait for few minutes for the installation of all the programs, and it will be installed one by one. All you have to do, you have to click on some options which are mentioned in the video. You can see that. So now as you can see such type of option, you have to click on next and agree, and now no need to put the name of organization and all. Kindly enter your email address or username. Now click on next. You have to select metric unit system. Kindly see carefully on your setup that you have to select this option, and now you have to click on next option, and then the installation of that particular program will be continued. Again click next, and then I agree, again next, again next, and no need to put any information, and next. You can enter a username and organization in this, and anyone can use the setup, and then next, and it will start installation. Now again your software will ask to install another program of the setup, and all you have to do the same thing. You have to click on install or next option, and at the end your installation of this setup will be done. Now click on close. Now the second thing you have to do, you have to patch your software, because before of that it will be a trial version. So all you have to do, kindly copy or run the patch which is given to you in your setup. Right click on that patch and run as administrator. It will start to crack your software for lifetime, and you have to check whether there is an option that it is activated or not, and then you can see your software is patched, and you can use that software for lifetime. Thank you so much.